Ladies and gentlemen, maybe you don't want all of your photos synced from your device to Google Photos. Well, if that's the case, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the synchronization settings on your mobile device in Google Photos. So without further ado, let's dive in.
So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is in Google Photos on the top right hand side, we're going to click on the first letter of our name, icon, or your profile picture. Now from here, you will see there's a few options and you'll see that there is photo settings right at the bottom here. Now, once you're in photo settings, the very first option will be backup. And you can see over here, my backup is off. Now, if you want to turn this on, you can go and click this toggle switch on the right hand side. It'll turn blue, and this means your photographs will be backed up. However, if you want to turn it off, you need to click the toggle switch and make sure that it looks like this, and your photos won't be backed up. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, and we will see you next time. Peace out, people.